Baanhn Beli organization celebrated 40 years of community service with a colorful ceremony held in Tharparkar. The social welfare organization Baanhn Beli celebrated its 40 years of community service with a festive gathering in Tharparkar, Tharparkar district, bringing together over 200 participants including villagers, volunteers, developments, experts, scholars and children. Federal and provincial lawmakers, MNA Dr. Mahesh Malani and MPA Fakir Belalani joined the event to pay tribute to the organization's 4 decades of work in Tharparkar and beyond. Founding President and former Senator Javed Jabbar said Baanhn Beli had remained committed to bridging divides of language, religion, gender and social class, while working to improve education, healthcare and community development in drought-prone Tharparkar. He praised the resilience of local communities and stressed the need to protect the region's ecosystem and Project Expand. Dr. Mahesh Malani lauded Baanhn Beli's contributions to education, women's health and water management, noting that the group's pioneering construction of small reservoirs in the 1990s later inspired large-scale projects by the Sindh government. MPA Fakir Belalani highlighted Javed Jabbar's personal dedication to Sindh, recalling his decades of travel to remote villages to establish girls' school and support development. The 2-hour program featured speeches from long-time members, cultural performances by children, the screening of short documentary and the launch of a commemorative brochures. Speaker also recalled the role of co-founders including Dr. Hussain Baksh Kolachi and Dr. Ghaffar Billu in providing vital health and education services to marginalized communities. The event concluded with a traditional launch shared by all participants.